First of all, thank you everybody for coming here. I mean, amazing. I mean, honestly, listen, guys. The love of the room is unbelievable right now. I just want to thank everybody for coming to celebrate with me. Speaking of the room, holy shit. I mean, listen, I know you like spending money and partying, but it's over to me. I'm only teasing. It looks amazing. Thank you so much. Listen, I'm sure my in-laws, my parents contributed as well. So thank you guys. My in-laws, I can see all of you. Seattle, Macy, Jose, wherever you are. Listen, from day one, you guys have always shown love, and just want to tell you from my heart, I got love and appreciation for you guys. All that nice stuff being said, though, guys, you didn't get me. I knew. I knew. Listen. They did a good job. She almost had it. It was close. I'm an investigator. You can't hide anything from me. I know everything. But because I knew about the party, because I know my wife, everyone here knows my wife, I figured it'd be pretty smart of me, even though it's my birthday, to get her a little something, right? Well, happy wife, happy life, bullshit. You know what I'm saying? That's how important. Uh-oh. I'm really nervous. It's funny, last time I did this, I was wearing this same shirt and my Uncle Sonny's cufflinks. Pretty ironic.
You have me shaking. What's going on? You flipped it on you, sir. I don't know what's going on. I was trying to be nice. I tried to be nice. Oh, take
nah.
What am I doing here?
Just this one. We're going on to the other one. Oh, here it is. It's pretty. Well, it's beautiful. Pretty good for a fireman, right? At that time, but.
Can I have it?
Yeah, I fucking know everything. That's right, bitch. I know everything. I had to see his skinny little pill. I wasn't impressed. I know about all the Plan B pills you had to take, you filthy fucking you. I fucking know. That's right. I fucking know everything. Don't act like you don't fucking know.
What are you talking about?
I fucking hate you. I never hate anyone like that. That's right. I know everything. I had to see his skinny little pill thing. I wasn't impressed. I know about all the Plan B pills you had to take, you filthy fucking you. I fucking know. That's right. I fucking know everything. Don't act like you don't fucking know.
What are you talking about?
I fucking hate you. I never hate anyone like that. I fucking hate you. I hate you for what you did to me, the betrayal. I hate you for what you did to my children. You know exactly who it is. You know exactly who it was.
What are you talking about?
Don't make me show everybody. I know everything. I know everything. I hate what you did to my children. The life you stole from them. You want me to show them? I'll show them everything. You sure you want that? I don't think you do. You know who it is. No. I don't give a f***. And listen, wherever here, still backs this piece of shit after all that, get the f*** out.
What the hell just happened? Like it was a whole flip the script type of, and listen, hey, when a man gets to that point, when he doing stuff like this was diabolical. Like the setup, the delivery, like the flip the script, yo, that was crazy. Yo, and then she's asking those stupid questions. What are you talking about? Come on, you know exactly what he's talking about. That's why every time he said, or he threatened, like, listen, you want me to show everybody? She turned around. Go back and watch that part of the video when he was like, oh, you want to play dumb? I will literally show everybody right now. Yo, that's crazy. Man. And then was this on his birthday? Yo, if this was, man, good grief, man. Think about the kids. I'll tell you what, y'all, before we get into this video, let me go pick up some pizza real quick. All right? Just hang on. Hello. Oh judge me, man, okay? Navigate to the crib. All right, so this clip has been going viral. Everybody has been talking about it, man. I've been seeing, you know, some of the top creators share their perspective on this thing, and I think I'm gonna have slightly a different outtake. And I'm gonna start off by saying, I've seen a lot of people in the comments saying what they would have done in the situation. Most of y'all really don't know. And they were pretty much saying that, you know, the way that he went about it was crazy. Like, listen, this guy has been in a relationship with this young lady for I don't know how many years. They have children together. Like, he's invested what it seems like a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of his resources into this young lady. And betrayal, man, let me tell you something. That thing is a bad word. Y'all know I don't curse. And when you have your heart broken like that, ain't no telling what you are willing to do. Now, I also want to let guys know this, you know what I mean? Because I always try to make sure that this is definitely not the way to go, because it may seem like you're embarrassing her. This is embarrassing for her, but you're also embarrassing yourself. Now you have just put this thing on display. Now the entire world knows your business, all right? And like I always try to tell guys, man, listen, stand on your square, get control of your emotions, think before you do anything. And again, I know and I understand that, you know, going through all of those emotions and everything, he probably thought that he was doing the right thing. Now, I will say one thing that he did do, which was smart, was he got that damn ring back. I believe that's what he was pulling off her ring. Hey, let me get that. Let me get that off of you real quick before, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, doing that in front of the family and everything like that. Listen, I know you want to make sure that you jump ahead of this thing, because we know how much the media and everybody loves. They love to look at the guy as being the bad person. All right? All men are bad. You know, the reason why the relationship failed is 9 times out of 10 because of the guy. We are literally seeing in front of our eyes right now how things are literally starting to switch. We're seeing oftentimes that these women are actually the ones out here cheating on these guys that are faithful, that are going to work, coming home, you know, trying to do the best they can as a husband, as a father, as a boyfriend, or whatever. And you have these 304 chicks out here. Look, man, he even said like he wasn't even impressed over the little pale the little pale Chico stick. Like, come on, fam. That's crazy though. That's so crazy. You're living the fact that you have some people out there that can live a double life like that. Like, y'all have made a commitment before each other to each other to be in this relationship, and you stepping outside on this dude, and y'all got children together. And I don't know if they are married or they were going to get married, or I don't know, like if they were engaged or what, but because it was kind of hard to hear. But this is honestly, this is sad. And it's unfortunate that, you know, what seems like possible great guy out there taking care of business, you know, being a firefighter, working that doggone, I ain't even gonna say 9 to 5, because if they do what we do, like in the hospital, they doing like 12, 14-hour shifts. You know what I mean? And I believe even with firefighting, I think they're like 3 days on or something like that, man. So they got a crazy schedule. And you got the nerve to step out and then smile, sitting there smiling. Like, these people like that is so freaking vicious, man. That's just nasty, man. And I'm just gonna end it right there, because I don't want to dive too much into this thing. I honestly want to hear from you guys. Y'all go ahead and drop some comments down below. Like I said, this video has been going crazy. Everybody's been talking about it, but I want to hear from y'all. All right, y'all drop it down in the comments and we can talk about it. Until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. I'm about to enjoy my pizza.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.